All right, so here comes the moment of truth. So I'm typically like the person, like most of the time, I keep saying like, I make double eggs when we have like family gatherings and stuff, and like I really like double eggs with bacon on it. I, here and there eat bacon, but I've been switching to like turkey bacon. So it's my first time ever making it and having fried double eggs. My brother wanted me to make them, so here is the moment of truth. This is how it looks. I always gotta smell my food. It's me. I don't know. Mmm. What's that? A little extra crunch and stuff to it. So I need to learn how to season the flour completely so I can taste that too, but I feel like it would take it away from that, but this is different. I'll be making some more of these fried double eggs.